Good morning. These past 3 weeks have been very exciting and busy ones for this university. Thank you to everyone who worked hard to organize Research Appreciation Week, including the first ever IUP Indiana Regional Medical Center Day. The presentations were just outstanding, and congratulations to all of the Scholars Forum Award recipients. They'll be recognized at Thursday's luncheon. Great job, everyone. I also want to recognize another fantastic celebration weekend for IUP. It was wonderful to celebrate philanthropy at dinner with our donors and our students, to recognize outstanding volunteers, and to induct our newest cohort of distinguished alumni awardees. Our alumni love their alma mater, and they appreciate what this university has done to launch their careers. In turn, we are so proud of them for their accomplishments and grateful for their support. While we all have a great deal on our plates, it is important that we take the time to celebrate our students, our alumni, and this university. IUP provides amazing opportunities for growth, and the work we do here is life-changing. We need events like these to remind us of the impact of our work. I want to offer my sincere appreciation to everyone who has been involved in creating and executing these great programs. Thank you to students and employees who took the time to attend Justin Brown's Implicit Bias training. He's an extremely engaging presenter and an IUP graduate, and we are pleased to welcome him back to help us to learn more about diversity, equity, and inclusion. Many thanks to the Social Equity and Title IX Office for its continued work to keep us talking about this important topic. And as we talk about DEI, I want to applaud our Latino student organization, LASSO, for hosting the first IUP Unity Ball, which will be held April 23 at 6 p.m. in the Hub. Norman Bristol Colon, Chief Diversity Officer and Director of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion for the Pennsylvania Department of Community and Economic Development, will serve as the keynote speaker for this event, which will focus on intersectionality. Information about the event is in the Crimson Connect and on the website. We are already seeing strong positive responses from families to our tuition affordability plan. This initiative, combined with the State System of Higher Education Board of Governors' decision to freeze tuition for a fourth consecutive year, is great news for our students and families. We know that the issue of affordability is a critical one, and our work to address the financial challenges that our students face continues to be a priority. I want to express my appreciation to the organizers and participants of this year's Take Back the Night event. It's an important opportunity to demonstrate our commitment to survivors and to building awareness about this issue. And it is always well done and with great compassion and care for individuals touched by sexual assault. I am very proud of the ongoing work being done at IUP and with the community to address the issue and to support survivors. Last Friday, it was my honor to be part of the press conference with Congressman Glenn Thompson at IUP Punxsutawney when he announced $500,000 in funding for the Academy of Culinary Arts building project. Chef and Academy Chair Lynn Pike and Academy student Shakira McNeil did an excellent job in their remarks during the event. Finally, I want to say thank you again to the IUP community who are diligently and patiently continuing to follow our COVID-19 mitigation policies and procedures. Please take care of yourself and one another and respect individuals who choose to wear masks or who ask that masks be worn in their offices or residence hall rooms. As we move way too quickly into the home stretch of the spring semester, students, if you need a study break, please take advantage of the annual end-of-semester late-night pancake meal in North Dining Hall on Monday, May 2nd, starting at 10:30 p.m. Sponsored by the Division of Student Affairs, all students are welcome. You don't need to have a meal plan to participate. Employees, I invite you to join me as a celebrity server. It's a lot of fun and a great way to connect with and support students as they begin finals week. More information will be in IUP Now in the next week or so on how to volunteer. While it is a busy time of year, I am truly enjoying all the in-person activity, especially in light of so many canceled or virtual events due to the pandemic over the past 2 years. I have missed this busyness and being with all of you in person. So, as you juggle schedules, assignments, and work, please enjoy the ride. Take a deep breath, keep your focus, take breaks, rest, and make time for positive activities that help you to manage your stress. Reach out for help if you need it. We are here for you. Go Crimson Hawks! And don't forget to wash your hands.